What if I told you the future of aviation will drastically transform our lives? Would you believe me? Picture an era where airplanes are lighter, stronger, and more fuel efficient thanks to the exploration of new composite materials and the role of 3D printing. Imagine aerodynamic innovations with blended wing body designs and active aerodynamics for optimal performance. Envision the advances in electric motors, battery technologies, and hybrid systems, paving the way for greener air travel. And what about the evolution towards fully autonomous or remotely piloted aircraft, with AI integration for real-time decision-making and flight optimization? Consider the strategies for minimizing emissions, reducing noise pollution, and enhancing passenger comfort and in-flight services. Think about the developments in safety systems and the push for advanced technologies balanced with economic realities. All these and more are on the horizon in the world of aviation. Stay tuned as we explore the fascinating world of future aviation. Imagine airplanes lighter, stronger, and more fuel-efficient than ever before. This isn't a far-off dream, but a reality being shaped right now through the exploration of new composite materials. These materials, often a blend of carbon fiber and other lightweight substances, are being used to create aircraft bodies that are as sturdy as they are light. This not only makes the aircraft more fuel-efficient, but also increases their overall performance. But the advancements don't stop there. Enter additive manufacturing, or as most of us know it, 3D printing. This technology is playing a pivotal role in producing complex aircraft components. The precision of 3D printing reduces waste and allows for customization that was previously unimaginable. Imagine a world where each part of an airplane is optimized for its specific role, creating a machine that is truly greater than the sum of its parts. These advanced materials and manufacturing techniques are revolutionizing the aviation industry. Ever wonder how future airplanes will cut through the sky? A key part of the answer lies in aerodynamic innovations. Picture this: blended wing body or BWB designs. These are not your everyday aircraft configurations. Instead, they marry the fuselage and wings into a single form. The result, greater efficiency and capacity. But it's not without its challenges, such as stability and control issues. Now, let's talk about active aerodynamics. Imagine wings that can change shape in real time, adapting to flight conditions for optimal performance. This isn't science fiction, it's made possible by smart materials and technologies. You see, these materials can respond to changes in temperature, pressure, or electrical current, allowing them to alter their form and function. These aerodynamic innovations are set to redefine the way we fly. They're not just changing the shape of aircraft, but also the very principles of flight. Of fueling the future of flight without harming our planet? Is it possible? Well, the answer lies in the emerging technologies of propulsion and power systems. In the race towards greener air travel, electric and hybrid propulsion systems have taken center stage. Imagine a plane propelled by electric motors with batteries so efficient that they can rival the energy density of traditional jet fuel. We're not quite there yet, but with advancements in battery technology, this could be a reality sooner than we think. On the other hand, hybrid systems, a combination of electric and conventional propulsion, offer a more immediate solution. They are designed to reduce emissions and fuel consumption, making air travel more sustainable. And let's not forget about alternative fuels. Biofuels, hydrogen fuel cells, and other sustainable energy sources are gaining traction in the aviation industry. They hold the promise of significantly reducing the carbon footprint of air travel. The future of aviation is not just about flying, it's about flying sustainably. Can we trust airplanes to fly themselves? That's a question many of us may be asking as the world of aviation evolves towards autonomous and pilotless aircraft. The shift towards autonomy in aviation is not a sudden change, but a gradual progression built on decades of technological advancements. Imagine a world where aircraft navigate the skies with the precision of a seasoned pilot, but without the human at the helm. This is the future we're heading towards, thanks to the integration of artificial intelligence in aviation. AI, coupled with machine learning, is being used for real-time decision-making, maintenance predictions, and flight optimization. These technologies are not only enhancing efficiency, but also improving safety and air traffic management. However, the journey towards full autonomy is not without its challenges. It's not just about perfecting the technology, but also about earning the trust of passengers and regulators. The future of aviation is not just about technology, it's about trust. How can we fly more without hurting our planet more? That's the question driving the future of aviation. As we innovate and push the boundaries of what's possible, we must also consider the environmental impact of our actions. One strategy is to reduce our carbon footprint by minimizing emissions. Innovative designs and operational efficiencies are key. New aircraft designs, for instance, are being developed to be lighter, stronger, and more fuel efficient. Operational efficiencies might involve optimizing flight paths or improving ground operations to save fuel. Noise pollution is another concern. Advancements in engine technology and airframe designs are helping to reduce noise in and around airports, making flying less disruptive to people and wildlife. The challenge is significant, but so too are the opportunities. Every improvement, every innovation brings us closer to a more sustainable future in aviation. The future of aviation is not just about progress, it's about sustainable progress. What will it be like to fly in the future? Picture this. You're reclining in your seat, spacious and comfortable, tailored to your needs with advanced materials that adapt to your body for ultimate comfort. The cabin around you is a marvel of space utilization, offering more room and convenience than ever before. In-flight services have evolved too. Imagine having access to a world of entertainment, education, and interactive experiences all at your fingertips. The future of aviation will see virtual and augmented reality playing a significant role in enhancing the in-flight experience. You could be exploring a virtual art gallery, learning about the history of your destination, or immersing yourself in a new language, all while soaring 35,000 feet above the ground. The future of aviation goes beyond how fast or how far we can fly. It's about making the journey as memorable as the destination. The future of aviation is not just about getting there, it's about enjoying the journey. How fast can we really fly, and how far? These questions have driven aeronautical innovation for over a century and continue to inspire the visionary concepts of tomorrow. In the realm of speed, we're seeing a resurgence of interest in supersonic travel, a concept which promises to slash travel times dramatically. The fabled Concorde, the world's first supersonic passenger jet, might have retired in 2003, but the dream of faster-than-sound commercial travel is far from over. Technological breakthroughs are addressing the challenges that once grounded the Concorde, such as noise pollution from sonic booms and high operational costs. New materials and design techniques are making it possible to build quieter, more fuel-efficient supersonic jets. Companies like Boom Supersonic and Aeron are already testing prototypes, heralding a new era of high-speed air travel. But what if we could go even faster? Enter the realm of hypersonic travel. This concept, still largely in the realm of science fiction, involves speeds greater than 5 times the speed of sound. Imagine, if you will, boarding a plane in New York and arriving in London in less than an hour. While there are significant technological and regulatory hurdles to overcome, the potential benefits of hypersonic travel are truly mind-boggling. Moving beyond the atmosphere, we're starting to blur the lines between aviation and space travel. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are exploring the potential for point-to-point space travel. This revolutionary concept involves launching a spacecraft into low Earth orbit, then bringing it down at another point on the globe. The result? New York to Sydney in under an hour. While we're still a long way from booking our spaceplane tickets, the concept represents the pinnacle of aeronautical ambition. The future of aviation is not just about boundaries, it's about transcending them. Whether it's breaking the sound barrier again, reaching hypersonic speeds, or venturing into the final frontier of space, these visionary concepts are redefining what's possible in air travel. They remind us that the sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning. What does the future of aviation mean for us and our planet? As we venture into the skies of tomorrow, it's crucial to consider the social, economic, and environmental impacts of our flight paths. The advancements in aviation technology promise to revolutionize travel, making it faster, more efficient, and more accessible. Yet, alongside these benefits, we must also weigh the potential costs. The increased air travel could strain our resources, exacerbate the global climate crisis, and pose new challenges to our communities and ecosystems. As we push the envelope of what's possible in aviation, we must also navigate the ethical considerations involved. The future of flight should be about inclusivity, ensuring that the innovations we make are accessible to all, not just a privileged few. The stakes are high, but so are the opportunities. By balancing progress with prudence, we can ensure a future where aviation benefits not just the individual, but the collective. The future of aviation is not just about technology, it's about humanity.